I'm so grateful to our friends over at Petal Driven for providing all the beautiful flowers you see here. And what was super fun about designing this bouquet and building the centerpieces that go along with it, which is another part of this video. Be sure to go watch that. This is for some actual dear friends of ours. She's getting married today, and so we are excited to pack this up and bring it up to the venue, and I'm hoping to get photos on site so you can see what a real life. It is really fun. So grateful for Petal Driven for hooking it up with incredible flowers. She's got incredible taste. She wanted it to be very girly and whimsical, a little bit boho, and I love that she wanted pops of protea in here and some of the orange pin cushion, which is really fun. I've paired some of these beautiful dried elements with the fresh flowers and foliage, which I think is just gorgeous. I'm loving that trend right now, and I think it is beautiful, especially for fall. Today we're gonna make our bouquet, and what I have done in advance is you're gonna wanna prepare everything. So in this jar here, I have some water. This is what the bouquet will eventually go in, but I have all my greenery prepped here. I've kind of de-leafed all the bases of these because we want a nice clean base for our bouquet for all the greenery. So I've got 3 different types of greenery here. And then in this bucket here, I have all of my florals. So you can see here, I have all of the leaves stripped on all of my roses. I've got a couple different roses here. Again, same ingredients we are using in the arrangement, but everything is prepared and ready so that it makes grabbing and building your bouquet super easy, because again, you're gonna have one hand. And one more really fun aspect of some things that I got, picked up some of these really cool dried old flowers for her bouquet, and I might add a few into the centerpieces as well. But this is dried baby's breath, fluffy palm stuff, this. So what I did is I just put a little base at the bottom of the bouquet, and it helps me kind of keep it all together and not put a lot of tension on my hand. but then it allows me to pull certain things up and down and all around. So this is what I'm thinking the front of the bouquet is going to be. I'm gonna keep playing with it, moving things up and down, and then once I get it to a really good spot, I'm gonna wrap it with floral tape and stick it in the water, and then I will add the ribbon tomorrow before the ceremony. Okay, so I have gotten this bouquet into a really great place. Again, I might pull some more things up and down, but I have my floral tape here, and I like this one's a little bit thicker. So what I'm gonna do is just try to keep a tight grip on it, and I'm gonna start wrapping around the base here towards the top where she's gonna hold. With heat, it gets a little sticky, so you can kind of stick it. And once it's kind of done, I start to play with it a little bit. So now we're in a good spot. I'm gonna trim all of this up so it's a little bit shorter, and then I'm gonna start playing with it back, and I look at it in the camera or a mirror, make sure it looks good from all angles, determine the front, and then I'm gonna trim and start pulling some things down and up if I don't want it super wild or wet. I wanna make sure that it is in water and well hydrated overnight. You wanna make sure all the bases of the stems are inside your water. And that is how you make a bouquet. I need to now wrap this in ribbon still, as you can see, but it is gorgeous. I'm gonna go put it back in water, but again, let me know if you have any questions below. I will link below all the flowers and a discount code if you too want to order flowers from Petal Driven, which again, ship directly to your door, which is mind-blowing. Beautiful selection, incredible quality, and there's so much ease to it. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.